Yes, so Otutu Ama to everybody. Ntutu. It's not Otutu.
About Ntutu.
Okay. Ntutu Ama to everybody where they out there. Yes, so with a true salute to you on top the Good Morning Naija show this beautiful, beautiful morning. Yes, so celebration going on in many states as the governors have been announced one by Ishi. Almost every state now don't get their own governor. And we hope say normalcy go settle back into our everyday lives. The next thing we want now to choose the appointed cabinet and people that will go follow the government to work to make sure say everything is down gidigba. Ladies, you hear the rumors when they go about say Oga I hear yesterday I know say I don't know that I know there is no iota of truth inside. Say Buhari don't nominate Today Bakare. I was one of the cabinet.
Just like that.
No. I don't say that's why I talk say rumor. And they always encourage people say any news where you hear fear, especially on social media. Sometimes make you do it, make you calm yourself down before you go begin do it through way the information give everybody. We know everybody is waiting with abated breath to see who go sit down on top the minister chair, who go sit down on top commissioner chair. But we need to relax ourselves and to allow the government make them settle down. Make them swear for them first, make you enter work. By the time you don't enter work, we go know as everything go take be. My name is Omotine Lolo, one of every. And welcome to Good Morning Naija this morning.
Yes, so it's perfect morning to all of our day out there. They watch us every Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 9 a.m. We did happy and we did excited. So we don't join you again. Plenty now you go here on top the show this morning as usual. So they mark the 1 year. One complete year where our Chibok girls so then kidnap them, Boko Haram badness people, Colombia them inside captivity and they are yet to return. Plenty movements on there on top the matter. Plenty waka on there. NGOs, people don't come outside. They create awareness. They do supplicate. They beg our government say make them do everything in our powers to bring this girl back. Now we don't hear say Buhari don't pledge say in go rescue the Chibok girls and even former Minister of Education Obi Ezekwesili she they campaign. They lead the campaign for Bring Back Our Girls. She said, don't talk to say it's never too late to bring back our girls. So our hearts serve and our minds, they in prayers for the girls and we they hope they then will return. On top of the show this morning, you go hear things where they happen for inside Nigeria as people being get a panic attack on top supposed Ebola. We don't return to Lagos. But this not true, this not lie. You go need to check your ear on top of the show, make you hear. And also on top sports, as usual, you go hear plenty on top sports. You go hear as a QPR don't come out, they throw away heavy sanction on top their fans. We've been do badness for inside the match against Chelsea. You go need to stick around for that one. My name is Chika Okeke 14. Good morning, Naija.
Ekaro Ibola Chi Otutu Oma Messiere Inakwana Obowe. How na day this early morning? Anywhere where you operate from, we don't start on top today, young John, because the Good Morning Naija show don't reach your domoto. So call that person to tell another person to yarn the other person. Say the show don't start 6:30 go reach 9 every day, Monday to Friday. We are always here for you. All right, on top of the Good Morning Naija show today, you go hear the thing wey happen for Beyonce mama. Beyonce mama don't enter one thing. Waiting be that thing. All right, and on top of Fast and Furious 7, Paul Walker, late Paul Walker, they do some kind of thing for inside the movie, so we can't bring the gist for you, but you got to wait till Entertainment International to hear all that gist. Yeah, Naija half-cat, I enemy, I the Luchi Enobong. I got to throw my salute everly. Good morning, Naija. Feel it!
All right, good morning, Naija. Anywhere where you day for inside or below the world, even for inside Nigeria, any states where you day, we now one Nigeria. And on that note, I say morning to all of you now where they there. If you they ready to go work, yes, ready go work, and then everything will be okay for you today. Today we go enter inside entertainment gist on Nigeria. Ice Springs don't come outside. Do congratulations to Ambody. Wait till you actually come outside talk, you're gonna need to stay tuned with us because we'll send you all the story. And Ike Ogbonna don't come outside advise women where they selling their body. Say You want to know what they're all about? We go tell you the story when entertainment time reach. And also, Basket Mouth don't come outside talk say him na shy person. You believe her? Our comedian go talk say in a shy person. We go tell you all the story. And lastly, you go find out the celebrity where talk say she get crush on top Banky W. All the story now we go give you on top entertainment just for inside Nigeria. So you go need to come body with us. My name is Siriman Uvi Ehigamusoy. Good morning, Naija.
All right.
love, hope, faith, believe. These are some of the ingredients where you need to make your life dey very, very kajad. And if you dey watch us so, you got to say this one, say, I am simply wonderful.